Simplifying double angle formulas again. We have our lovely formulas where I root over. So we're looking at these ones, the double angle formulas, and very specifically, this top one here is going to be really helpful to us. Okay, mainly because if you look at this, it's sine some angle. Let's not worry about what the angle is. Let's just call it like theta if we really want. And that's what x is. It's just representing an unknown. This value, let's not think of it as that value when we go to choose which double angle formula to use. So think of it as sine theta times cos theta. Okay, well the top one is the only one that really has a relationship with sine times cos. The other ones have subtraction signs or division signs in between, which we don't really have in this question. We can maybe build to that, but there's no reason. Let's go with the easiest as possible. The only difference is they have the number 2 here, and we kind of think of it like you have a number 1 in front. Okay, so this number 1, let's think of it like we're going to multiply it by the other two terms, sine 6x times cos 6x, and we have 1. But 1, like we said, is not helpful. Let's use another value that actually equals 1, which is 2 over 2. 2 over 2 is the equivalent of 1. Okay, so I'm still not changing by anything because when we multiply by 1, it doesn't do anything to it. And let's decompose these 2's. Let's make one of them the number 2 and the other one a half. So in other words, 2 times a half is 2 over 2, which is 1. So instead of simplifying, we've expanded what 1 could possibly be. So now that we've done that, and I should change the order of those. Yeah, let's make that, let's put that 2 down here. Let's put the half first and then times 2. I put down the wrong order. So we now have a half times 2 times sine 6x times cos 6x. So we've now built this relationship again. And this relationship, we'll try to draw a parallel here. I'll write it in blue what the formula is. The formula is sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta times cos theta. So think about it. If you're going from here to here, think of it like this 2 is then multiplied by the theta within sine and the x is dropped off. Okay, so we take this 2, we multiply it by whatever angles are in there. 2 times 6 gives us 12, and then the cos x is dropped off. It's gone now. So this half still exists. We haven't done anything with the half, and we're now left with, we'll write it in green. Yes, sine 12x as our answer.